In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename a folder here in Canva. So first of all, we're going to have to find the folder that we want to rename. Now the easiest way to do this is when you've got a project open like this, we can come over to the projects right here on the left hand side. Then we want to come to folders, and then we're going to see all of the folders that we have. Now for this example, we're going to use this folder just here, and to rename this, we simply want to click onto the three dots, then where it says the name of your folder just here, if we click on that, we can then name it something else. So let's put something else. Now what you want to do is click enter, and then that has been renamed, as we can see over here on the left hand side. Now if we click onto this folder and then go onto the three dots, we can see there's nowhere that we can actually rename this. So again, when we are in the folders tab just here, we want to click onto the three dots and then we can rename it from here. Now there is another way to rename folders as well. So if we come over to the home page of Canva, then we want to come over to projects here on the left hand side, and as you can see, it also brings up all of your folders. Now it's going to be the same here as well. If you want to rename one of these folders, we want to hover over that folder, click onto the three dots, and then we can change it just here. So that's just how easy it is to rename a folder here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.